front of me is Motorola Edge 20 Lite, and let me show you how to simulate color space on this device. So first of all, open Settings, go to System and click on Advanced. Now tap on Developer Options. Obviously, if you cannot find developer options here, just take a look at our tutorial on how to unlock them, and then you need to scroll down and find Simulate Color Space option. Here it is, so just tap on it, and now you can pick one from the following options. So you can pick monochromacy. Let's take a look at your home screen. Then you can pick red-green, but in a different color palette, and blue-yellow. And obviously you can leave it this way, but if you'd like to quit any of those color spaces, just tap on Disabled. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.